Hello friends, today I'm going to show the recipe for bitter gourd podi. Thank you Minu sweetheart for requesting this wonderful recipe. Bitter melon is a fruit in the gourd family with a unique appearance and flavor. Generally, we tend to run away miles hearing bitter gourd. Though it is packed with numerous health benefits, it is least preferred by many because of its bitter taste. But when enjoyed in moderation, bitter melon can be a healthy, nutritious addition to your diet. Friends, make this podi for a change. I'll assure you that it is super yummy and it's really good. These are the list of ingredients. We can find two major varieties of this bitter gourd. One is the Chinese smooth skin and the other Indian bumpy skin. Wash the bitter gourd thoroughly with water and dry using a kitchen towel. Then place it under the fan for a while. Here I am using a lot of curry leaves, so wash them and dry it under fan. First, grate the bitter gourd and squeeze out the juice and keep it ready. To decrease the cooking time, I am going to first cook it in the oven by adding little oil. You can even sun dry them a day before preparing this recipe. I am cooking in the oven for about 8 minutes on high temperature. It's been 8 minutes now. Add this grated bitter gourd into a hot pan and put it on a low flame. Shallow fry it until crisp. Or you can directly add the grated bitter gourd into a hot pan by adding a little oil or a teaspoon of oil and cook it on a low flame until crisp. Take a hot pan, add a teaspoon of oil, add chana dal, urad dal, coriander seeds. Cook it on a medium flame for 2 minutes. After that, we need to add red chilies, tamarind, and continue cooking for 2 more minutes on medium flame. Then continue cooking it on a low flame. Add hing, curry leaves, garlic, jeera, and continue cooking it on a low flame until curry leaves turn crisp. Bitter melon is known to cure skin diseases as they are packed with antimicrobial properties. Also, they are high in vitamin A. Transfer it into a blender and blend it. Since the recipe has added ingredients, you won't feel the bitterness at all. And use of tamarind makes this powder tangy and tasty. Bitter melon is especially rich in vitamin C, which is an important micronutrient which helps in wound healing and helps in removing toxins from the blood. Now add the crispy grated bitter gourd and then blend it. And now add peanuts and blend it. Bitter gourd podi recipe is ready. Bitter gourd podi is a simple spicy powder and tastes great when served with hot rice, hot idli, dosa along with a dollop of ghee. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.